This is called the triple hop test. You need an area clear of obstacles and a flat surface. You're going to stand on one leg at the start line with your toes up to the line. Hop forwards 3 times. As you land the third hop, you must be able to stand still and balance on one leg. Watch me. We'll try. Problems?
No.
This time we'll measure the test. I will put tape at your heel.